So hello YouTube, in this video I'll be teaching you how I got this cake or decorated this cake basically in all shades of blue. Not all basically, just basically light shades. Actually this cake is actually a mistake. This is not what I planned for it initially. You see it at the course of the video. So without further much ado, let's head straight into the video. So decorating this cake, I'm just gonna start with blue on the base layer of the cake, and when I'm like exhausted in my blue, I'll just be adding more buttercream to make the blue lighter and finishing up the cake. Then I will probably end the cake with some flowers and probably a touch of gold. I don't know how it's gonna end. I'm sure you've already seen the end of the video at the beginning of the video though. So yeah, let's just do our thing. So heading back, I've exhausted that blue color. So I'm going to be finishing up with a lighter version of blue. So as soon as I exhaust this, if I exhaust this, I'll be adding more white or more plain buttercream to it just to give it a twist effect. You get me? I'm sure you get me. So finishing off, I don't think I would like to leave this cake plain, so I'm just going to use my small palette knife to add a design to it. Let's go. Okay, this is guys. Oh, this is really beautiful, as a matter of fact. So I'm just going to be ending this cake off with adding some flowers basically, and maybe a touch of gold. A touch of gold would be nice at this cake. A touch of silver. I don't know guys, let's see what works out. Right back. So heading back, keeping it on a blue themed and a blue color space, I will just be adding a blue topper. Sorry about that guys. I'll be adding a blue topper. Okay. Somewhere around here. Because I'm gonna be able to add some white and blue between the blue so I'm just gonna be adding one here, like a pearl, adding another here. Yeah, let's be adding one on the top. So yeah, this guys is it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned a lot from this video. Basically I did not plan this design from the beginning, so I think I'm gonna catch you next time. Peace out.